Traditional e-bike conversion kits are often complex, expensive, and time-consuming to install. Not to mention, finding the right fit for your bike and tires can be a hassle and pricey. The Pikaboost 2 from Livalll is an advanced e-bike conversion kit designed to transform standard bicycles into electric bikes with ease. This kit features a 500W motor, providing significant power for various riding conditions. The Pikaboost 2 is equipped with a 158 watt-hours lithium-ion battery, offering a range of up to 70 kilometers on a single charge. This makes it suitable for both daily commutes and longer rides. The installation process is straightforward, allowing users to attach or remove the kit in under a minute, making it highly convenient for those who wish to switch between manual and electric modes. In addition to its core features, the Pikaboost 2 includes several technological enhancements. It supports app-based controls, enabling users to customize their riding experience through a smartphone application. The kit also incorporates regenerative braking, which helps to extend battery life by converting kinetic energy back into electrical energy during braking. Furthermore, it features fall detection, which can alert emergency contacts in the event of an accident. These upgrades make the Pikaboost 2 a versatile and user-friendly option for cyclists looking to enhance their riding experience with electric assistance. Pikaboost 2 e-bike conversion kits with app-based controls offer a personalized and adjustable riding experience through smartphone integration. The incorporation of regenerative braking technology in e-bike kits helps to extend battery life by converting kinetic energy back into electrical energy. E-bike conversion kits that can be installed or removed in under a minute provide a flexible solution for cyclists switching between manual and electric modes. Industries focused on smartphone integration technology can tap into the e-mobility market by offering app-supported customization for e-bikes. Battery technology sectors are seeing innovations such as regenerative braking that promote extended battery life and efficiency in electric bikes.